Welcome back. You ask how to solve absolute value equation. I think first we should understand what does absolute value means. If I have a number and it says the absolute value of this number is 2, it means on the number line there is number from this number to 0 is 2 units. So what is this number? 1 unit, 2 units. This number is 2. This is on the right-hand side of this number line. And on the left-hand side of the number line also has 1 unit, 2 units. So this number could be -2. Therefore, we come back to here. We say there is a number in the absolute value. It equals to 2. What is this number? This number is 2. This number is -2. So, we understand what is absolute value means. It just means the distance between the 0 and the number. The distance from the 0 to the number, or the distance from the number to the 0. Now, if you understand this, we can solve a few more problems just like that. How about there's number z, and after going through absolute value, it is 7. What is this number? So think about it. From this number to 0, that is 7 steps. So it could be a +7 or a -7. Very good. Let's try one more time. How about we have 24? And it could be, let's see, this number could be a +24 or -24. If you happen to hear some background noise, that is because in our neighborhood someone is cutting the tree, so please excuse the noise. All right, let's try this one. How about we have a number that is w going through absolute value that is 0. Now, it asks us, from this number to 0, it's 0 steps, 0 unit, 0 unit. So, this number is 0 yourself. Very good. All right, let's try again. What if you see a question like this? There is a number, and after going through absolute value, it's -5. Pause, think. Now, since the absolute value talk about a distance, could be there is a number from this number to 0 is -5 steps. How can we make a distance that is -5 steps? Therefore, this one is no solution. Good work. Now, let's keep adding up. Since you know how to solve this short one, let's make something a little bit longer. Let's say x plus 2 and equals absolute value. We have 4. Remember, earlier when you are solving problem like this, you say x is 4 or x is -4. Now, same thing here. This time you have x plus 2. Therefore, you're going to rewrite as x plus 2 is +4. Or another situation we have that's -4. Solve the first one. The first one we have x is 2. Next one, -2 each side, x is -6. Here is your solution. Do not forget connected use or. Okay, let's solve another one. What if it's keep growing, become a little bit longer equation? Let's say we have 2 times absolute value of z minus 6 is 24. How about that? All right, did you see I'm going to divide by 2 each side first? That is correct. Then you have z minus 6 is 12. And then we can rewrite in 2 situations. Z minus 6 is +12 and -12. And then let us add 6 to each side. The first one we have 18, and let's add 6 each side. The next one we have -6. let us bring it back. We plug it in, see if it is true, okay? So we erase here. We're going to plug in. We're going to test it out. So 2 absolute value, if that is 18 minus 6, is it 24? So 18 minus 6 is 12. 2 times 12. Yes, it is true. All right, let's test another one. We just found out Z is negative 6. So put negative 6 here. Negative 6. Negative 6 and negative 6, that's negative 12. Going through absolute value, positive 12. Yes, yes, it is still true. 24 left side, 24 right side. All right, I have another problem in my head. I will have you to solve this. What if you see something look like this? All right, well, you won't waste your time to solve this one? I hope you said no, because look, here is negative. Remember, we're talking about a quantity go through the absolute value. It talk about distance. The distance cannot be negative. Therefore, without any hesitation, we say no solution. Don't waste your time. Okay? All right. I think that's it. You were saying several different kinds of problems, and I think you have worked hard. Happy learning.